Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I didn't need another reason to make me want to stay in bed even longer, but I now have one. This comforter set by Smoofy is so comfy. I mean, look at it. Doesn't that just make you want to lay down in it? Even when little Lou comes in bed, he has been loving this new comforter. So I wouldn't say it's lightweight and I wouldn't say it's heavy. It's about in between. I used it to replace our down comforter because I wanted an extra cozy looking blanket for the winter, but it's also lightweight enough that we'll be able to use it in the summer. You can flip it over and there's this beautiful soft velvet on the other side. Personally, I like to have that layer on the bottom and then I love to have it next to my face. This is a king size. We have a queen size bed, but I like to have the extra space so that it covers over everything and it really fits very nicely. So you get the two shams and the comforter. I have not had a problem with this shedding at all. I highly recommend this comforter set. It is so fun and so cozy. But that's just my point of view.